So our drill permit is pending on the Colos project. With that, we are looking to focus both on our prime starting locations. So that'll be probably the Kirby Lodi zone. With those are coming back with our best copper gold grades. They're very large soil anomalies and very large Z-TEM geophysical anomalies that extend for kilometer scale.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Malcolm Dorsey. He is the CEO of Tour Metals. And Malcolm, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, oh, I'm doing well. Thanks for having me, Steve.
Yeah, excited to have you along, especially since you've put out some news talking about sort of releasing the final results of a rock and grab sample that the company has put together during a 2024 program. So tell me a little bit about project itself and more importantly, the work that was done on this rock and grab sample.
Yeah, so this project is our Colos copper gold project. So we're primarily looking for copper gold porphyries. It's a large project, 240 square kilometers, highway accessible, just north of Merritt, so in south central British Columbia. Within that, the results that we posted were results from some early summer exploration that we did, mostly reconnaissance prospecting. We recently expanded the project, nearly doubled it in size through staking. We wanted to check out more of that ground as well as what we had already defined in terms of our exploration zones. So from that, we got some very exciting results, and one of those highlights being the discovery of a new zone up in the northern portion of our unexplored territory in the project area. So this we're dubbing the Sonic Zone. No exploration has ever been recorded here, so it's us. We're the first ones there. Love being the first one there. With that, we found a 1 by 2 kilometer footprint of hydrothermal magmatic alteration and mineralization, anomalous copper gold grades in rock grab samples in outcrop at surface. So we're very excited about this and the fact that it's another road accessible target on our project.
Yeah, and in discussing this, you were talking about the fact that there needs to be a lot more work done here. But as you mentioned, being first on there and finding what you found already, it shows there's some great potential not only for this particular area, but for project in general, because there's a lot of area you haven't looked at yet.
Yep. Yeah, so we only acquired this project 11 months ago. Much of
Yeah.
it was either unexplored or underexplored grassroots. Within that time, we found 5 significant soil anomalies. We've defined a 7 kilometer porphyry trend. We're finding new discoveries every time we go on the project. So really, the unexplored nature of this is really becoming apparent, and the opportunity there, I think, is immense for a major new discovery. So there were a number of other highlights that we got from this news release that included we searched to the southeast of our Clapperton zone, and we were actually finding more anomalous copper in these rock grab samples and these large boulders that we believe to be proximal to their source. This shows some more copper anomalism and a potential extension of our Clapperton zone, which is already very large, by potentially another 1,000 meters to the southeast. We also confirmed really robust mineralization. So now multiple zones with rock grab samples. One I'd highlight is the Kirby zone. That one we actually had in outcrop 0.38% copper and 0.22 grams per ton gold. I'd stress that these are representative samples of what we would expect to find when we drill into that outcrop. So these are prime starting locations. And these samples give us an idea of that grade that could be there. In terms of this grade, that grade is excellent. It's actually better than many of the surrounding deposits around us, comparable to some of the higher grade deposits like New Afton, which is just about 27 kilometers to our north.
Yeah. So is the plan then to, because there is a lot of area that will to continuously sort of going through areas on the project to look at, or are you going to start to now focus your attention on sort of this particular area and do more work here? What's sort of the plan moving forward?
Yeah, so our drill permit is pending on the Colos project. With that, we are looking to focus both on our prime starting locations. So that'll be probably the Kirby Lodi zone. With those are coming back with our best copper gold grades. They're very large soil anomalies and very large ZTEM geophysical anomalies that extend for kilometer scale in strike length, as well as up to 1,000 meters in depth. That will be a focus, but there's also lots that's becoming apparent that we can find on this project. So something else that we can do as well is we'll test the sonic zone with some soil sampling. The Vic zone needs some soil sampling, and then also just looking around throughout the area, doing a little more prospecting to see if there's more to be found at surface.
Yeah, it sounds like it's going to be a lot of work ahead. Malcolm,
Hmm.
thanks so much. Great to catch up with you, and congratulations. It was very exciting, and we look forward to our next conversation. Okay.
Perfect. Thanks, Steve.
All right, Malcolm Dorsey, the CEO of Tour Metals.